Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks. And last night I made a couple of videos on squiggles or scroll type work. And I made this one after I made those videos, and I was just playing around with it. And if you haven't been following along, I made this one out of this one. I was just playing around and I thought I'd show you how I did this. This is pretty cool, pretty good design. So this is all grouped together. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's take the shape tool and let's click on it and let's grab that part of the object, start moving it, and then hold down the control button. And that way you get a good parallel dimension to it. Now I went a little further and I expanded out the front of it. So let's do that again. Trying to zoom in where you'll be able to see it. And I grab just these two nodes. Start moving it and then hold down the control button. That way your control button doesn't allow you to mess anything up. Now I'm going to left click, right click, and get an outline. Let's see how close I am to the old one. Yep, we're doing good. Now what you could do is take that object, go up to effects and contour. We're going to contour 4 times at 0.03 and see what happens. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in the center and every other line. And you've got that shape. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to right click, no outline. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that, grabbing this arrow handle. And, well, tell you what, let's do this. Should have done this. Go to Arrange and group it together. Let's make sure we don't have a duplicate on top of it. We don't. Control D and make a duplicate and then move this in. Now real slightly you want these two touching. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.001. Let me zoom in a little bit and just grab one of them and move in. Now how I did the center part, and I'm going to change my, let's see how big this is. It's about 3 inches, so let's change our nudge factor to 4. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in this hole or a well. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to contour it. And then I can move it up. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that. Well, let's try this. Let's do every other line and leave the center not filled. That's what I did on the other one. Now remember, some of those lines are hairlines, so right click, no outline. There's you a squiggle. And there's a lot you could do with it. And I hope I'm not boring people with my unartistic ability. But have fun playing around. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.